What's up, guys? You know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a 2013 Range Rover Sport, and I'm going to show you how to take out your navigation screen. Now, I believe this works for a 2010 to a 2013, so they should all be the same, but we're going to show you how to take that out. If this is the type of thing that you're into, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here at this channel. Anything car audio related or install related, that's exactly what the channel is about. So first thing we want to do is we want to actually take this piece off. Should be pretty easy, but we need to take off some things that's kind of not necessarily hindering it, but that are in the way. There we go. Take that part off. Very easy to take out. Held down by two clips. That one fell off. It's right there. And then that gives me, pop that off right there. Drop the glove box. Should be one more clip. There we go. Pop that off. And then we're going to disconnect these three harnesses. And that's what the back of it looks like. Now you only have one harness right here. That's an actual push clip. That's going to be this one. These two, yeah, this one right here for the ignition, and that right there, they literally just pull out. So now what we need to do is we need to take out, I believe this is like a T15 or T20. I will confirm that once I get my tools, but we want to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want to go ahead and remove the vents first, because I do believe there are two more torques here at the top corners. So I did a small test fit. It is a T20, so let's go ahead and take these out. Next, pull that down and out. The vents come off super easy. And then it also reveals two more T20s that we're gonna have to take out. And as you can see, we have those out. Now that little bar is going inside of that on both sides, so I think you kind of just want to lift up and pull it out. And then you have a couple harnesses that you have to disconnect here, and then that'll literally be it. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys found any type of value, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. I would like to take the time out to thank everybody who chooses to support the channel, whether you guys buy one of our fan subscriptions from jpsauto.com or the Patreon. You subscribe, you hit that like button, you share these car audio knowledge tips with all your friends and family. I appreciate that. Or if you buy your parts from jpsauto.com, or even hit those links down in the description, all that goes a long way with helping and supporting the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So till next time, this your boy JP signing out, telling you guys to keep going and keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.